Hi there guys, and welcome to my new video. This video is third in the series on how to utilize Reddit and make it work in your favor. So in this video I'm going to explain you a few tips and tricks what I actually use, how to drive traffic to my articles, and how to appear genuine when posting them on Reddit so that I don't be reported by Reddit administrators or by other Reddit users that are viewing my post. Now I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to actually do this and how to generate traffic in massive amounts and generate a lift for your YouTube videos that are just starting. So bear with me to the end of this video, as this information that I'm going to share with you are going to be priceless, and you're going to learn an extremely valuable information which is going to drive your traffic, whether it is for YouTube or website or pretty much anything else, skyrocket. So let's jump to the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how I create an article and how I actually structure it to do not appear as self-promotion, but rather to give meaningful information about certain topics that you're going to share with other people online. So for the purpose of this video I'm going to open medium.com. This is a website where you can actually create an article without owning a website. So I have my account here, and I suggest that you also open yours. And once you open it, here under your username you're going to see these options, and here you're going to see write a story. So this website actually serves as a medium to transfer information in case a person does not have a website. What I'm also going to do is that I'm going to find something useful to write in this article. My strategy is simple. Since I'm not that good writer, I just go to YouTube, and while here on YouTube I'm going to find a video which corresponds mostly to what I'm going to write an article about. And there is a little catch which I'm going to show you right away. For the purpose of this video I'm going to choose a video from my channel, and I'm going to use for example this video. So while on this video, we just pause it, I'm going to open these three dots here and open a transcript. So here in the transcript, what you have to do is you have to select all of these. Yeah, it has to be done manually. So you basically select the text which Google automatically transcribes from your voice. And what you're going to do is just copy it and then go here and type remove timestamps and extract text from subtitle. So since I already visited this site, I'm going to open it and I'm going to paste subtitles that I have previously copied. So once you have done that, simply click start now. Now in the text box below you're going to see all of those subtitles but without those timestamps. So you see all numbers are gone. What you have to do is just copy it and then head back to medium.com, and here you just go here to write a story. So write a story based on the text that you have copied. So in this case it is 7 ways to make money online. And here you can also add some clickbait stuff like no clickbait. Okay, yeah, this really looks like a no clickbait, but anyway, the whole point of this is just to head here and write my story. So once you copy the text here, it is going to look like this. And what you have to do is you have to format it. Now I'm going to speed this up a little bit because I don't want you to waste time on looking how I format the text, but I'm just going to hop to the already finished text, what I have already formatted. Alright, so this is the text that I have pasted and edited. So as you can see here at the very beginning, I just pasted the link to my video. The link is simply pasted by clicking enter, and once this plus sign is shown, you just click it and click this triangle button so that you can actually paste a link to your video. I'm not going to do this on this text right now, but you have seen the point. So let me show you the text how it looks like. So at the beginning I just shown the information which I actually told in this video clip, but we have to have something for an article. So once we list down, we are going to see that a lot of this text is very similar to what I have told in video. Of course, some of this stuff have been shortened and changed a little bit. Also, when you just paste text, it is going to be a little bit boring for reading. And what I advise you to do is that you insert some images or pictures, for example, a screenshot of this duda.com website, and linking to this website would be appreciated, because it is going to kill monotony of reading. But the whole point is not for people to read, but to make people watch your video. Once you have done this, you just have to click publish, and then just go here at the address bar and click copy to copy this address. And then what you have to do is that you have to head back to Reddit. Okay, now once on Reddit, you have to have two accounts. I personally use a lot of different accounts as they help me grow, but for this video, I'm just going to show you the perfect example of how this all works. Okay, here in this drop-down menu, you're going to see that I have been enrolled in a lot of subreddits like affiliate marketing, small business, passive income, blah blah blah. And you can choose any complementary niche that you are going to target with your article. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go to make money online, and once here you just have to pay attention to this subreddit rules, and here on the right we see what they don't like to be posted, like especially no self-promotion and no referral linking and other stuff. So in order to honor this, we have created this article, which is going to be an article with useful information, and those information are edited and are ready to be posted, and this post is probably not going to be cached by Reddit users nor Reddit administrators. So here we go to create a new post, and I'm just going to ask a question. Okay, I'm now going to speed this up a little bit so that you don't wait, but I'm going to show you what I've wrote. Alright, here is my post, and feel free to pause to read it, but this is a kind of post that is not going to have any bad reputation once you post it, and it is going to allow other Redditors to write below it. So the strategy is ask this question, which appears to be neutral and kind of naive, and just save an address to this Reddit. So the key here is to answer from your main Reddit account, and that way generate more karma, but also at the same time not promoting directly your videos, but actually making people go to your medium.com article, and therefore generating traffic to both your article and through it to your YouTube. So that way is also going to help your medium account, as it is going to grow and become more trustworthy, because you are sharing valuable information to your people. You can actually copy the information and the process that I show you in this video from any other video that you find useful, and just use its transcription to make it as your own. So what you're going to do next is that you're going to head back to your main Reddit account, and that you're going to wait until you see some posts from other people, and then you're going to go from your more established account and write a small answer to this, where you're going to link the link that we previously copied from medium.com. So that way people who are going to read this are not going to directly see your YouTube video. So this is how you generate lift for your videos and for your articles by utilizing Reddit traffic. So before I end this video, I invite you to come and visit my account here and check videos that I have made, and if you find those information useful, which you find in them, simply drop me a like and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to write me your comments or suggestions in the comment section below. Until next video.